Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to book tickets on Flixbus. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and book tickets on Flixbus. So to do so, when you're here on the, as you can see, the bottom side of the screen, we have booking, tickets, and more. What you need to of course go and do is go to the bookings in the bottom left corner, where here you can of course book tickets. Now here you need to go and type in from where you're gonna go. So that's the first thing. So you can type the city and where you want to go to. So it can be any city. I'm gonna put in Munich here, as you can see. Then the departuring date, so when you're gonna go, and from if you're gonna go a round trip, of course, when you're gonna go back. You can also just leave the space or the return space empty if you of course do not want to have that and you want to only do it in just one of course in one way. Then put in how much adults, children, or e-bikes you will have, if you will have some of these of course, and whatever you will have. Then tap search, and then it will search the options that you have. Now here are all the options. You can scroll. There are a lot of options per city and per route, as you can see. Tap on the one that you would like, tap on the return if you have the return also, and then here you need to go and of course fill in all of these things. So of course, as you can see, the passenger names, if you have multiple passengers, the document number, where you're from, etc. You can then reserve your seat, do the extras, include some things as you can see as more luggage, the contact, then put in the payment which you want. They have Klarna, Revolut, cards, Apple Pay, PayPal, and Ideal. So here we have the out vouchers that you can see, and here you will have the summarization of everything, where you can just go and tap pay now to pay for your ride. And that's basically that. You will get everything then, and that's all that you need, how you can actually go and book tickets on Flixbus. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.